In this guide, I'll show you how to enter and exit safe mode on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button at the top until the power options appears. So from here you want to scroll down and select power options, and we're going to go to turn off. Now make sure not to just press the power button at the top, that's just going to put you into safe mode. So once your Nintendo Switch is fully turned off, what you want to do is have a look at the top, and you'll see three buttons: the up volume, the down volume, and the power button. So what you want to do is press and hold the up volume and the down volume at the same time. So you can do this with one finger. Then you want to quickly tap the power button. And when you do that, the screen should turn on for a second, and then it should turn off. Now, if it's done that, you can release the volume buttons, and this should put you into safe mode or maintenance mode. Now, once you're here, you'll see three options: update system. You can initialize your console without deleting saved data. And there's also the option at the bottom to initialize your console to factory reset it. So if you don't want to do any of these options, to exit safe mode, all you have to do is press the power button at the top of your console. That'll fully turn it off, and to turn it back on, simply press the power button, and you're now back to the home menu.